Okay, so if you are a Teleport user, how do you make sure only US orders go to Teleport and then everything else can be done for you? This is a question that comes up a lot. We have customers all over the planet that sell items into the United States, and they want to use Teleport to use our local US print farms to deliver parts inside of the United States so that they don't have to ship them across an ocean, across borders, and have delayed shipping, higher shipping costs, all this kind of stuff, tariff problems, all of this. So how do you set up Teleport so only US orders come to US customers and go through Teleport? There's a few ways to do this. The simplest way is to create a US only listing. You change the title to US only and you change the SKU to US only and you create a match inside of Teleport. The issue with this is your customers will not see it. It's not the best option because it's very clunky. The next option, number 2, depending on the marketplace, you can restrict certain listings to only be shown in certain countries. So like in Shopify, you can say this is a listing, it's only for the US, only US customers will ever see it when they come to my store. And then all these other products can be seen inside of Australia if someone from Australia looks at it. That's settings that you can move inside of Shopify and some other marketplace sort of apps. The third option, which is probably the best, especially if you're kind of a smaller store, is to just use manual fulfillment inside of Teleport. How this works is you have your existing listing that everybody in the world purchases. Here's my awesome product. People in Australia buy it, people in the US buy it, people in the UK buy it. There's that listing. Connect up Teleport, create a match for the product to that listing, to that SKU, and then go into your user settings inside of Teleport and turn on manual fulfillment. It generally defaults to automatic fulfillment, which means if we see the SKU, we will ship it. If you flip it to manual, no order will go through unless you click the submit button. So you create the match. Those matched items will show up inside of Teleport and they will say, do you want this order to go through? Approve, 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 approve. You can run through them, and if you see a US order, you can approve that so that Teleport and Slant 3D prints the part and ships it to your US customer, and all the other ones you can ignore. That's all you gotta do. Go in, turn on manual fulfillment, and then when US destination orders come through, click approve on those, and Slant 3D will print the parts and ship them straight to your customer for you. That is the simplest thing to do because it allows you to keep a bead on it all. It doesn't mess with your customer experience, and it's not that much effort. But if you have the ability to create US only listings and that kind of stuff, that's feasible. But the manual option is probably best if you're using Etsy, or you can create multiple listings. But again, people will buy all of your stuff based on the first one they see. They won't go searching for a US only listing. So hopefully those give you options about what to do here if you need distribution inside the United States for your 3D printing business because tariffs have stopped shipping, or anything else along those lines. And that's how you can use Teleport to get around all of the tariffs. Have a great day, everybody.